Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand what is SAP BTP, one of the most important platforms in the SAP world of today. Let's start with a simple question. When companies want to build their applications, connect different systems, analyze the data, or use AI, do they need different tools for each of these tasks? So far, I would say the answer is yes, because till now, whatever project or whatever companies I have worked on, the entire ecosystem worked like that on. But now onward, SAP gives them one single platform that can do all this work. The platform is called SAP Business Technology Platform or SAP BTP. Now what is SAP BTP then? SAP BTP is a cloud-based platform that helps business develop, integrate and extend their applications. It gives all the tools, services needed to connect the data, build apps, use AI and manage analytics all in one place. So instead of using 5 to 6 different systems, companies can do everything inside one platform, that is SAP BTP. So if I have to explain it even in a very simpler way, just try to understand that going forward or in coming days, everybody like developer, functional, architect, companies, vendor, everybody will be accessing a common platform called SAP BTP, and in that platform SAP will provide certain packages or some ready to use tools or something. They can directly use it. If you need further customization specific to the company, they can create various applications, they can extend various applications or apps on top of that. And as it is a common platform, so nobody need to go to any other system. Everybody can access the same BTP and access the applications from anywhere in the world. So SAP is going to simplify the evolution of ERP in like coming days, or in fact it has already started. Now let's try to understand BTP in a little deeper way. Okay, imagine you are building a house. You will need different tools like a hammer, nails, cement, wood, paint and more. Now wouldn't it be better if there was one big toolkit that had everything you need inside it? That's exactly SAP BTP does for the company. It's like a toolbox for business technology. You can use it to build new apps, connect SAP and non-SAP systems, manage databases and even add AI or automation on top of it. Now let's talk about the main parts of SAP BTP. Now SAP BTP has 4 main areas and you will hear these terms. The first one is database and data management. Now what exactly it does? It actually helps store and organize the data. For example, S4HANA Cloud. Then it has analytics. Analytics helps turn the raw data into reports and dashboards so that end users can analyze their track record and all. Okay. For example, SAP Analytics Cloud. Application development and integration helps build and connect applications. For example, SAP Build or integration source. So as a developer, we are going to use SAP Build to create applications, and in SAP Build, they have provided an amazing tool like which do not require any kind of coding. Low code, no code tool that is, and with the help of simple drag and drop feature, you can create a app. Okay. Definitely that will be a very basic app. If you want to extend it further, there is our scope of customization. Next one is intelligent technology. Now includes AI, machine learning and automation tools. So right now SAP Joule is trending and it is going to be like very effective and useful in coming days, because the way SAP is integrating SAP Joule into their SAP environment, that is really going to change the entire way we have been using or we have been seeing the SAP from last 20-30 years. All these parts work together, so companies can use data smartly, innovate faster and keep their business connected. Now if I have to give you a real-time example from one of my projects, now they have SAP system for HR, sales, finance and manufacturing, but they also use some external software. Now using SAP BTP, they can easily connect all this system, build a custom app for employee training and analyze production data in one place. That means faster insights and better decisions without switching between multiple systems. So in short, SAP BTP is like the brain and toolbox of modern SAP system, helping business become more intelligent, faster and more connected. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you have any further doubt related to SAP BTP or anything, please write a comment in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.